My name is Alfida, and I'm from the Philippines. I speak English, Filipino, and Cebuano. I am here to help you speak English with confidence. I am a TEFL certified English tutor with over a year of online teaching experience. I specialize in helping beginners and intermediate learners improve their everyday conversational English, whether that's through work, travel, or simply building the confidence to express yourself freely. In my lessons, you can expect a relaxed, judgment free environment where we focus on what matters to you. I tailor every session to your personal goals. We might work on pronunciation, grammar, vocabulary, or real life conversation practice, depending on what you need. I love using interactive activities, real world scenarios, and role play exercises to make learning feel natural, not like studying from a textbook. My teaching style is patient, encouraging, and always learner centered. So, no matter your level, you will never feel lost or left behind. Thank you so much for watching. If any of this resonates with you, I would love to be your tutor. Go ahead and book a lesson. Your first step toward confident English starts right here. I can't wait to meet you and help you reach your goals. See you in class.